Okay, hello everyone. My name is Tarun Agarwal, and I have a very special guest today, and his name is Mr. Kishore Reddy. And Mr. Kishore is into network marketing business, and he is doing really very great in his business, network marketing business. He is from Vijayawada, and he has total 6 years of experience in network marketing. Okay, so before coming to network marketing business, he was an electrician. Okay, as a profession, as a professional, he was an electrician, and then later he switched to 100%. He is doing now into network marketing business. Now, right now, he has more than 500 people in his network. Okay, and yes. So he is from Vijayawada. Mainly, his team is from Andhra Pradesh. So he's building mainly he's building his network in South India. Okay, so he's into DNA Club. He is in our beautiful community of digital networkers who are building their business 100% online. So I just wanted to understand in this interview his experiences, what all mistakes he did, so that as a viewer you can also learn from his mistakes, what is working for him, and what is his funnel, how he generate leads, how he convert those leads as a team, how he do webinar one-to-one meeting, what is his strategy to build his business. That is what we are going to discuss today. Okay, so I'm very excited to learn from Mr. Kishore. So Mr. Kishore, welcome to this discussion.
Thank you, sir.
All right, so I just wanted to start with a question like, who are you? Okay, I want you to give you a quick intro about how you joined network marketing and why did you switch from an electrician to a full-time networker.
Before that, my name is Kishore Reddy. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am from a Telugu farmer family, sir. I studied my 10th class. After that, I joined in electrician course and I complete that course and I work as an apprentice job in some hard-working, some other company. Okay. And after that, I do my 3 years electrician job at some ice cream company. After that, I start a small business, sir. In 1997, actually, this was happened. My study completed in 1994. After that, from 2018, I run a shop, sir, in a College Road stationery shop, some internet services, stationery shop, and everything. Money is not a problem at that time, and time is not a problem at that time. Okay. But I am working on my business very hard. Slowly I found I am not able to appear to my children at home because I started my business at 8 a.m. morning. After that, I closed at 10 p.m. In this business, I am sitting around 20 years at one place. I started some health problems in 2015 like that. In 2018, suddenly my brother told you meet some person in named by Ranga in some hotel meeting. Okay. Early morning, I have to go walk to the nearby college, Andhra Lala College. Instead of that walking, I walk to that room, sir. I don't know then what happened next. Just I meet Ranga at that time because I want to meet him. He was there at that time. In that meeting, he explained 15 minutes only. Okay. Nowadays we take presentation 1 hour, 2 hours like that. He explained the things in 15 minutes. What you got from this business like that. I can't understand any business plan, something like that. He just told and I hear. But he told one thing. He shows some product relating to my health problems at that time. Okay. I just started using the product because of that person only. There is no other thing. I don't want incomes like that at that time. I just started using the product because of that person only, sir. Okay. This is my starting of networking journey. Before that, I worked with 2 other companies, one international company. Now it was going very well in Malaysia, some other countries. But here in Andhra Pradesh, it was some cases happened like that from some government side and some other sides. Okay. After that, we take a decision. We don't want to go anything deeply into the network marketing. These kinds of things happen like that. After that, also I started my journey in 2010. Another network marketing company, unexpectedly. It was some household items, something like that. After that, working hard 3 years, the company also closed some of other reasons, because there is no network marketing regulatories like that.
Okay.
After that, in 2018 also, this journey happens because of the product only, sir, not income like that, sir.
Okay. So nice. So this is your current company is your third network marketing company.
Yes, sir.
Right. So wonderful. So you joined this in 2018, and since then you are building your network business. Now, are you doing anything else apart from network marketing, or full time you're into network marketing?
Yes, in this pandemic time, last pandemic time, I have become full-time networker, sir. Before
Okay.
that, I am running my shop also. I am interviewed from here in my shop, one place. I put one table and everything, computer is there, because
Okay.
computers are not new to me, because my business was associated before also with computers.
Okay, nice. Nice, great. So now I just want to understand from you, like before coming to this current company, okay, you already had network in two other companies. So did you approach your previous company downlines for this company, or you created a brand new network? Did you
Brand
approach
new
that?
network, sir.
Okay.
Some people are there. Some my close community, they trust me and they use the products, sir. They are not in the business, but because of me, they are using the products, sir.
Okay. So which means you started by using the product, you love the product, and later on you got interested into business also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So how were you building your business before pandemic? Okay, because you joined in 2018 and you are from South India. So what was your strategy? How you started to approach people? How were you recruiting people? What was your strategy?
Yes, before that, in my company trainings, what they told is build a list and contact every person in your list like that. The same thing I done, sir. I build 300 to 400 list and contact every person. I just starting this business. Please come and see. If you like the product, you use. Otherwise, you leave it. I never ask like that. The same old school I did, sir. But before that, with my online expertise, I put some posts like that. There is no expenditure, no another good opportunity is there like that. But at that time, my problem is I don't know about Zoom, and I don't know how to connect that people. If even they come to me to contact and build a business with me. Right.
So initially you were able to attract people, but you didn't have any strategy to give them exposure about your business, right? So, so before pandemic, before going 100% online, so how were you able to give them presentation, like one-to-one meeting, or you were taking those people to your company presentation? Like how were you giving presentation to them?
At that time, physically, my appliance doing some meetings in Kurnool, some other places. When they do meetings, I put focus on that particular Facebook groups, and I collect some contacts and I send the people to that meetings. And at that meetings also, I got some results. But in this pandemic time, I put all those contacts in my list, and I contact them from WhatsApp and Telegram. From Facebook Messenger like that, and I invite them my team meeting. My team meetings are happen every day from 8 o'clock night to 8:30 like that, 40 minutes or 30 minutes like that. One expert will explain all the company like that. Before that, I invite one person, I directly explain the company presentation. I focus on the company only. Company product and the technicalities explain the product. What I am thinking is that product automatically moves if they know.
Right.
Later that, when I see your videos from 2019 like that, some good information is there, but I am not willing to join at that time, because I am not able to trust at that time to all the digital marketing. What happens is I am in a confusion.
Right. Okay, I understand. So when you started to watch my content on social media, so what was that one problem? Okay, what was that one problem? I mean, you were already doing well in offline mode, one-to-one meeting. Your upline was having a separate system for presentations, and you were doing good. But what was that one problem which you were facing, and you were looking for a solution during pandemic?
I don't have a system to explain all those things, and I don't have a community to nurture them, sir.
Okay.
I learn here mainly from your content. You have to building your own community, and you have to nurture them, and you have to keep sending the good information to that person. By then you have to raise your personal exposure and
right,
like that, sir.
Right. Yeah. So previously you were directly promoting the company, but later on you change your style and you started to promote yourself first, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. So now the thing is, just like me, okay, like you were watching my YouTube videos, I'm very much sure that you might have watched many other mentors videos on YouTube. Okay, so why did you connected with me, not with other people? Okay, why did you join DNA Club, and what was the major primary motivation factor to join DNA Club?
Yes, sir. I tell in short like that. Before that, joining in your community, DNA community, I joined some other courses also, sir.
Okay.
But they were not belonging to network marketing community. I am in SIDS community, I am an IVRA community, I am some others community. But they are mainly focusing on except Siddharth Rajasekhar, they are mainly focusing on selling the courses, sir. They don't have proper system to follow up the customer.
Right.
But what is happened in DNA community is, I observe that weekly meetings are going on, and some you also working with some network marketing company. You are personally experienced person, and how to handle the meetings, how to handle the customer, like that. Everything I want to learn from the expert only in my community, because network marketing community, sir. At that time, from 2019 2020 ending, also I attend some physical meetings also. Okay. Digital marketing meeting like that in Hyderabad, and MMI, Millionaire Mind Intensive Program. Some meetings like that also. After that, when I saw your course, I observe all those things in your course for many months. It was not easy to take a decision. It was, I am observing 4 months, 5 months, like that.
Right. Okay, I understand. So after exploring things for 3, 4, 5 months, then you took the decision. Now, I wanted to raise one point here. Whoever is watching us right now on YouTube or social media, so there is one of the common problem which most of the people are facing these days is content overloading. Okay, following too many people, and actually when we follow many people, this is what happened with me. This surely happened with you also, Mr. Kishore, right?
Yes, sir.
So when we follow too many people, what happens? We think that we are learning more, but exactly it does not happen. With content overloading, the end result is not action. Actually, people face business anxiety. Okay, and this business anxiety is because of confusion, like what action should I take? Okay, so it is not about the knowledge, it is about the proper step-by-step process, what I have to take, and following only very limited people. When we follow too many people, ultimately nothing happens. Right.
Yes.
So I was also facing the same. I was also watching so many people, and later on I observed, I learned this from Siddharth Rajasekhar only, that you must stop following many people. Everybody is good. Okay, it is not about somebody is good, somebody is not good. Everybody is good. Something their mentees are also getting results. They're also getting results. It's fine, but they are following only one person. Okay, so when you surrender to only one mentor, when you resonate with a particular person, that is when you take action, and with that trust, with that community, with that learning experience, that is when you get some results also. Right. So how was your experience? I mean, you just mentioned that you followed too many people. So what was happening in your mind? Were you able to take action, or what happened then?
At the time, I am like that a bee, sir. I am on sunflower sometimes, sunflower sometimes like that, sir. At that time, I did not dig deep into the well, sir. I just found some 10 feet like that, and some other places, 100 places, I put some my hand, sir. At that time, there is no implementation, sir. I have more knowledge taking. Initially, every person think like me, sir. Knowledge is more important. They think knowledge is not more important. At my point of view, after in your community, I know these things, sir. Knowledge is not much important. What you learn is implement that thing on the next day, sir. This is very important. I learn from Sids and you, sir.
Right. Yes, Sids is my mentor also, so I am also learning from him, and the same I'm implementing in DNA Club, and I'm into his Hall of Fame community. So I understand if we just focus on giving good value to our community members and giving them proper direction and just inspire them through these interviews and many initiatives, that is when magic happens, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So now my question is, when you join DNA Club community, so in our community, we have right now, we have more than 500 people from South India are there, North India, and even people are from US and Canada and Dubai are here in our community. Now, my question is, in this community, yeah, when after joining DNA Club, definitely we had some recorded lessons, recorded videos, which you might have watched, but later on, what did you find the best? What changes did you observe within yourself after joining DNA Club?
Yes, sir. Before that, I think if I took more knowledge, then I focus, I attract many people, something like that.
Okay.
But after this community, when I started implementing the things, the duplication is more important than our knowledge, sir.
Right.
I just started to share my experiences and share some posts like that into my downline community also. I teach the same things to my downlines also, sir.
Okay.
As a team, we have to grow everyone, sir.
Absolutely. Right. So what is your strategy? I mean, how do you create content? Which platform are you using for content creation, and how you generate leads, how you give them exposure, how you close them? So can you just share your complete funnel, lead generation to closing?
Yes, sir. Now I am putting content in Facebook page and Facebook, my personal page and personal profile, and YouTube, sir. If somebody asks me, I will. I have a ConvertKit landing page, sir.
Okay.
I share that landing page there. I am just starting to learning this landing page, everything, sir. I have to write good copy, something like that in the landing page also. After that, when the lead came, I connected to these leads to my evening webinar system, sir.
Okay.
My team is doing the webinars 8 to 8:30 like that. Okay. When the people see the webinar, next day I will follow up the people. If they are willing to join, I send my links, something like that. They will join online also. Okay. Before that, one problem is there, sir. Our companies also, they don't have online joining systems, sir. After this pandemic, they have online joining system, everything. Even last person also, even new person also, they don't know anything. They can start this business by inviting people to this webinars like that, sir.
Right. So you generate leads through Facebook and YouTube mainly, and yes, then you are using a landing page created through ConvertKit account. Okay. And then your ConvertKit also gives you email marketing feature. Okay. And yes, what you do, then you invite people to your evening webinar, which happen every day or 5 days a week?
From Monday to Friday, sir. Saturday we have one training, sir, basic training.
Okay. So every day, Monday to Friday, you do a workshop, a webinar for the new prospects, right?
Yes.
So every day team generates the leads and then they invite for the evening webinar, right? And then next day you do the follow-up and closing, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So how do you do follow-up and closing? Through WhatsApp, through call, or through Zoom meeting?
No, by call, sir. Directly call, or sometimes WhatsApp. If they don't pick the WhatsApp call, if they are not interested, they are not even pick up our call, sir. Then I will send some of the testimonies belonging to their closer. If they are in job, from some job people success story. If they are from IT people, IT people success story. If they are housewife success story. With what product they are connecting the product and the success story. I will keep sending for 2 or 3 times like that. If they are not interested, I keep them aside, sir.
Okay.
I will proceed to new people, sir.
New people, right? Okay, right. So in ConvertKit, do you use this email marketing feature, or are you following up only through WhatsApp?
No, sir. Email marketing feature also, sir. But I am new. I am creating 3 email sequences, sir.
Right.
One ebook downloading feature, and after that, when they downloading the ebook, I sent the email next day to one-on-one or my webinar meeting invitation, sir.
Right. So for one-to-one meeting, are you using some tool to book a one-to-one meeting with your person?
Calendly, sir. Calendly.
Okay. Nice.
Because I know that Calendly thing from you, sir.
Okay. Yes. So Calendly is a great tool. I also learned from one of the digital marketer. I don't remember his name. Not from Siddharth, but from somebody else. So one-to-one meeting is also a very good way to connect with your audience. Okay. Especially when we do a live webinar, it is a one-way communication. Okay. You are speaking and other person is just listening to you. But in a one-to-one meeting, even if you do half an hour meeting, it is a two-way communication and you can understand the other person also, right? Yes, so yes. Yeah, good. So basically what I've learned so far is that you are using Facebook and YouTube mainly to generate leads. Then you invite for a daily webinar, Monday to Friday. Then those people who join the webinar, then you do their follow-up. And after that, also you have a follow-up using WhatsApp call. And also because you're using ConvertKit, you are doing email follow-up also, 3 days, 3 email sequence you have set up. Yes, and you are giving more value by giving them a lead magnet call, that ebook also, right? Yes, what is the name of that ebook, the title?
5 home-based business ideas, sir. No. Okay,
nice. 5 home-based business ideas. So that is a good hook for the person who is looking for an online business, right? And then later on, if a person does not reply to you, ignores you, which is a very common problem, okay, then yes, ultimately you leave that person and you go ahead with the next new one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Great. So it is a great learning to our audience that this is the way Mr. Kishore is building his business. That's his strategy, and he's very openly he shared his strategy, and I think it is working for him. And right now you are not using Instagram. Why is that? I mean you are not confident with Instagram, or?
I have the profile in Instagram, sir. What I am learning with SIDS and some other digital marketing communities, you go deep into one thing and you learn. After that, you go another thing. Don't put your hand everywhere, sir. Everywhere, they told. That's why I am not using the Instagram, sir. Mainly in these days, youth are using mainly from 18 to 30 years, like that people using the Instagram only, sir. If we want to attract that type of people, we have to use Instagram, sir.
Right. So are you planning to go to Instagram in future? Okay.
Yes, sir. I have a plan with that. I take Canva also, and I am creating my posts on Canva, and I put my posts in Instagram also. I will attract the leads, sir. Another thing is also, sir, everybody is not coming to us for business, sir. They like a community, sir, mainly a knowledge community. And like that, I want to create some other lead magnets relating to detoxification, some weight management, some other health issues, immunity, and some other problem, diabetic problem, like that. Every problem I will create a lead magnet, and I put the some content in YouTube and there. I will attract more leads in the future, sir. I am on this purpose only, sir. No.
Okay, nice. So which means you are going to attract people for your products also, right?
Yes, sir. Products.
And same tool you are going to use ConvertKit, right? You will create multiple landing pages for all these lead magnets.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, that is a very good strategy. Okay, so nice. So now my question is, what are your plans in future? I mean, right now you are building network marketing 100% online these days because of pandemic. And what are your plans? I mean, once pandemic is over, are you going to continue with online mode, or you will again switch back to again offline mode, or both hybrid mode?
Yes, sir. For my team and my personal contacts, I will do physical one-on-ones and physical meetings also, sir. For those who don't know me, the cold market, I attract more leads from social media, sir. Both strategies I will use, sir.
Okay. And mainly you create content in your local language or English?
First of all, I am in focus on my local language, sir.
Okay.
After that, I will create in English also. I have a plan to create some course also, sir, in this basics of network marketing.
Okay. Okay. So in future, you are planning to roll out your courses. So what is the basic idea of creating your course?
Because who are speaking more in the YouTube or sharing good experiences, they are focused as a expert, sir.
Right.
That's why I am delivering my knowledge. I want to share my knowledge with people, and they have some other thoughts about network marketing. I want to change that thoughts about this network marketing by sharing this network marketing knowledge, sir.
Right, that's a great idea. Even when I was planning to start this DNA club, I also had this kind of you can say fear, like if I create a course in network marketing, who will buy from me? Okay, I had this kind of fear because who will buy from me? Because everybody has their mentor in network marketing. We join a team, okay, and everybody has their mentor, their own training system. So everybody already has a trainer, everybody already has a mentor. So why will a person learn from somebody else? So later on, I understood that there's so many people who want to learn digitally how to build business, and sometimes because of lack of knowledge, which their mentor don't know about how to do it. So I thought that this is a great idea to solve a big problem in network marketing business. Okay.
Yes.
And here is a big problem. Like there are many networkers like me, like you. Initially, we actually follow digital marketers.
Yes,
okay, to learn these online skills. But problem there is they are focusing on only digital marketing, which many things are not relevant for network marketing business. So our business, our network marketing business is an emotional business. It is a people business. Okay. So all those tactics and skills in digital marketing may not be relevant for our business. Okay. So we must learn only those things which we can easily implement, which other people can implement, how simplify we can do the things. So this was my major idea. And another thing is consistency. Okay, consistency is also a major problem in network marketing because people sometimes feel this business as a fluctuating business. People sometimes make money, sometimes they don't make money. So if a person is making consistently 30, 50,000, 70,000, 1 lakh rupees per month, but consistently, it is a great achievement. I mean, okay, because this business, if you can make 50,000, after 1 year, 2 year, you can scale it up. You can scale it up if you continue learning and you continue adapting with the latest changes in the market, right? Yeah, great. So you are planning to launch your courses. So wonderful. And I think it is a great idea because ultimately it is not about the product or the company which we have to promote. We have to promote us. We have to promote our own, you can say, culture, or you can say our people should resonate with us. If people are not able to relate with us, they are not trusting us, why will a person join us? Okay, just like me and you, there are lakhs of people who are into the same network marketing company. Why will person join us, not the other person? Okay, so if you create your courses, if you write your book, if you create something of value to the other person, then you are building an authority. But on social media, there are some people who are against this. There are some people who are against this, like, why are you creating courses? Don't buy any courses. But no, I had this discussion with Siddharth Ashigar also, like, shall I do this or not? And he told me, just forget about others. Okay, this is the best time to promote, to share your knowledge with the world. Okay, maybe you think that some people may not find it relevant, but maybe your knowledge can be a big problem solver to maybe few people, but that should be something valuable. It can create a great impact to other people's life. Okay, so yeah, it is a good idea to create your course, build an authority, so that people can also understand the power of this industry, And unless and until we don't build this business professionally, good quality professional people will not join our industry. Okay, this industry is no more about showing off. It is about giving value and then attracting people by giving value.
Yes.
Right? Yeah, so great. So finally, I just want to check with you, like, what would you say to those people who are still into deciding mode? Like you took 4 to 5 months to decide for DNA Club. So those people who are watching us and still they're into deciding mode, whether DNA Club is good for me or whether should I learn from somebody else. So what would you say to them?
If you have any other system to scale up your business, follow that system. If it was not growing because it was reflecting in your income, immediately you join with a mentor like Tarun Agarwal sir and join in the community. The people who are in the community also help you very well. Because if we are not growing, we are not trees. We have mind. We can take a decision how to implement the systems. Everything we can learn from DNA community. I am a platinum member now. In this last week, I updated to my platinum. In this DNA 2.0 also, it was very well. Like Siddharth Rajsekhar's hackathon, it was DNA 2.0 was, everything was step by step explained. We don't know everything. Because if some fog is there, we can see some 20 feet to 50 feet like that. If we go to that 50 feet, after that 50 feet also appearing like that in this system, everything was built step by step by Tarun sir. I am just following and using that system only. Before that, I joined many courses, but my money wasted like 1 lakh something like that. But there also I learned something. Because I need not invest in any courses like that, but because of spending 1 lakh rupees, after spending 1 lakh, I know that thing. It was very well. After that, I spent just 10,000 like that year in community. Now it was platinum was 15,000. If you join in the platinum or gold, first you join in the gold and learn and implement the what the things are there. After that, you can scale up your business by joining platinum. Because if you build your own community, many more people you can attract. The thing learn here only. And SIDS community also one hackathon is going on. Like that DNA 2.0 is very well. It was in now in English also. If you are from another country also, you can learn. Because I just studied only 10th class and I can speak in English because of the network marketing and because of these mentors like Tarun Agarwal sir only. I learned all those things. Our interest is more important than some other things. Our knowledge, we have to took knowledge, but we have to implement that knowledge step by step only. The same things explained in DNA 2.0 for lesson 20 minutes to 30 minutes like that. You can see in one day 2 or 3 lessons. Implement that things to up to 2 or 3 days like that. And after that, you go to second lesson and second day. Next, you learn something there and implement the thing. And you can build your system like that. I am focusing on that system building only. What we are learning, we can teach to our team. Maybe it was 500 or 50 something like that. If you have 10 people also, you teach the system to that people, they can also do the business. Because networking is team business. Not only you only doing business, not network marketing is.
Absolutely right. Yeah, so nice. So yes, in DNA 2.0, which we recently launched, in DNA 2.0, it is all about making the content very crisp, to the point, result oriented, action packed. Okay, so as Mr. Kishore has said, so in just 3 days, you will be able to build your system first. Okay, because skills like content marketing, lead generation, this is a evergreen thing. Like forever you have to do this. Okay, you have to once you're into network marketing, you have to consistently generate leads each and every day. But system, once you build a system in just 3 days, you will be able to build a system. That system will not change again. right? So DNA 2.0 is all about that, and it is in English now. So yeah, congrats, you are into platinum, and platinum, DNA Platinum is all about automation. And I am also going to focus more and more on automation. There are so many people in network marketing who are big leaders, who have a good team, and but the problem is they are always into working mode, because network marketing has turned into self-employment for them. So it is the best time to learn automation related to network marketing only. Okay, so that is about DNA Platinum. So yeah, congrats. And yes, I would suggest you to focus on automation also in coming days, right? Once you finish DNA 2.0 in gold later on. Okay. All right. So all those who are watching us, if somebody wants to check you, if somebody wants to understand, learn from you, or they want to check like how you are building your business, what type of content you are putting, how can the other person connect to you? Through Facebook and YouTube, right?
Yes, sir. Initially YouTube, and after that Facebook, sir.
Right. So below this video, below this video, in the video description, I'm going to share with you the link of Mr. Kishore Reddy's YouTube channel. You can subscribe his YouTube channel and just check out what type of content he is putting there. I'm very much sure that he is doing really great there on YouTube, and he has plans to launch his own knowledge-based products in future. So it is going to be great learning experience following him, understanding him, because he's on his journey to greatness. Okay, so somebody who is already doing good, it is good to learn from them, but all those who are in their journey to greatness, so you can learn through his experiences. Okay, so yes, you can follow him on YouTube and also on Facebook. So check out the links in the video description. Okay, so it was nice talking to you, Mr. Kishore, and wishing you all the best. And hopefully I'm planning to add another club, like Siddharth Rajshekhar has 1 crore club. Okay, so let's see, I'm going to add one more club. Let's see what will be the criteria, maybe 25 lakh or 50 lakh club. Okay, so let's see how many people join there. But it is just a beginning. I think it is just a beginning of building network marketing business 100% online, using digital marketing skills. It is just a beginning. In next 1 to 2 years, I believe that there will be more professional people who are into corporate, who are into many good quality jobs. Good quality people are going to join network marketing, and this would be possible only if they find quality people, and if they find system-based working, not show-off-based working here. Okay, so already you are doing really great, and I wish you all the best. Like you grow your business more and more, give them more value, and yeah, thank you for this interview. Finally, you want to share anything, last one statement before we close this interview?
Yes, sir. All this knowledge, what is sharing by Tarun sir, is available in internet or something like that. Right. But you don't have the knowledge in a proper way. You have to waste your time, like me, for 2 years or something like that, 1 year or like that. You don't waste your time. If you lost your time, you never bring back that time. If you want to scale up your business, join this community as a gold member by just paying some weekly earnings like that. You just join in this one. And I found one good thing here. Many more digital network marketing persons also teaching social media, everything, social media basics, how to put profile like that. But they are not telling how to generate leads, how to nurture the leads, how to step by step. They are not explaining. They are mainly focusing on courses, and the other digital marketing people also by selling the tools. In this DNA, I found Calendly is free. And next one, ConvertKit also free up to 1,000 members. Right. Zoom is also free. Every tool is also free. Even Canva also free. Every lecture and every how to use that tool also, you found some good knowledge on that one. In community also, if you have any problem, many people like me and Chaitanya, some other people are also there. They are addressing your problems because they are in this community. Right. You join, you don't take any 1 minute, just take a decision, join in DNA community, and get the support from Tarun sir and all the community. because this community is working for network marketing only community, not digital marketing community. We are not professional digital marketers. We just learn what the things we need. Up to that things only we learn.
Right. Nice. So wonderful. So it was nice meeting you, Mr. Kishore. So all the best to you. And also, before we end this interview, I would like you all to just check all the links below this video description. Connect with Mr. Kishore. And also, if you want to know more about DNA Club, then there is a link, dnaclub.in/gold. Okay, go to that link. Just check out all what is there for you. If you think this is good for you, then you can go ahead and you're welcome to join our community. Mr. Kishore will be there. I am there. There are more than 500 people, networkers are there. So welcome to DNA Club. Okay, so let's end this interview and wishing you the best, Mr. Kishore. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. I have another goal, sir. I want in December, December 2021, before I want to join in SIDS community, also Hall of Fame community.
Okay, great.
By earning 3 lakhs per month, sir.
Yeah.
I purchased some books and everything, courses like that. Even my daughter also using that books, and she also creating a course on public speaking, and she also have a YouTube channel. She's only 14 years old, sir.
Okay, nice.
This knowledge, if you take the knowledge, your kids also learning from you. If you don't have any knowledge, where they can learn?
Right.
From outside, it was not possible. If you take the knowledge and system, you learn the system, you can teach your kids also.
Right. Absolutely.
This is very important, sir. I found it in this network marketing and in this social media and digital marketing things.
Right. So wishing you all the best, and wishing you the best for your aim to join Hall of Fame in SIDS community. Okay. Yeah, all the best.
2021 in SIDS Hall of Fame, sir. In 2022, around 1 crore community also I will reach, sir, soon.
Oh, wonderful. I'm just around 50% I have achieved. Okay, 1 crore club. So halfway I'm already there, and so most probably by end of this year, maybe the beginning of the next year, I will join 1 crore club of Siddharth Rajshekar community also. So yeah,
telling truths and working authentic and explaining the truths only. If your plan is good, explain the same thing.
Right.
Don't exaggerate the network marketing incomes like that. If we tell we have 60,000 income, put that 60,000 only.
Right. Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it was a great interview with you. I hope that you all, as a viewer, you got some great learning from Mr. Kishore. So you can, I would be happy to read your comments. So put your comments also, whatever you learned from today's interview. So yeah, so I'm coming up with more interviews. Do subscribe the channel and also connect with Mr. Kishore. Yeah, thank you everyone.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.